you go. Buttons here on the glass. Press it, turns on. Press it again, turns off. Hi there, today we're unboxing an LED illuminated bathroom mirror with a touch sensor and Demister Pad. So I purchased this off eBay for £64. So I thought it'd be worth doing a video just to show what the quality is like. Obviously there was nothing really there in terms of reviews or anything for this. So let me open it up and see what you get in the packaging. So it arrived packaged in a brown box, no real pictures of what it's like. So let's take the top off. Got some instructions here. If I take that out, looks like I've got a wiring diagram on there as well. So just to show, so it shows areas where you'd install it, and again, how to install as well with a wiring diagram and installation instructions. Okay, so let's move on to the next bit. So if I take the top off, got the actual mirror itself, and see if I can take this out. Okay, so I've cut it loose and I've pulled it out of the actual packaging just to show. So just below the actual mirror, you've got some fixtures, so just 2 raw plugs and 2 screws. So quite thick screws on there. In terms of weight, it doesn't feel too heavy. You can see 2 holes in the picture, but that's actually the ceiling you're looking at. So we've got spotlights going in just above this area. So that's why you've got that. Build quality seems okay. You've got a plastic film on there. You've got a touch button here for, I'm guessing, the actual LED light and the demister to turn on. And if I flip it over, just so you can see, so this is what it is at the back. So it looks like sort of cardboard here, and then you've got a cable here. So earth, live and neutral connectors on there. Bit of a tear it looks like here. Not sure what's happened, but obviously that's just card, so it doesn't really matter. And then you've got the LED going all the way around. In terms of fitting it, so if you fitted it obviously lengthwise, this is 600 by 800, and you've got 2 fixtures here or the fixtures there. So obviously it just hooks straight on. You can pull it straight off. And if I pull this out just to show, okay, that's the only amount of cable you've got in there. So interesting way they've done it. I guess the only frustration here would be once you connect it, it's a bit tight. They should have had the connector more towards the middle, so it's sort of more flush, the actual mirror itself. The LED itself, if I bring the mirror up a little bit closer, seems okay. Standard LED, nothing too fancy about that. And obviously with the gaps around, you'll get the light coming through. So far it seems okay from what I've seen. And like I've said, this is the only area that sort of bugs me a little bit. So I would have preferred a recess where it could sort of sit in place and it's out of the way. But we'll get it fitted. It should be straightforward. Only 2 screws to obviously mount onto the wall, and it just hooks into place. So let's go ahead and fit this and see what it's like. झगड़ा कर लो अरे यार मैं टोकला आ गया सारा बड़ा मुंह भी दिखा दी पड़ेगा होल्ड डन दोनों मुझे कर करना होल्ड डन ला मेरा भी क्या करना है यार. Okay, so the mirror's installed now, and we can just take the protective film off just to show. And there you go. And as you can see, there's a red light here, obviously indicating the on-off button. And that's how it looks like when it's on. Pretty cool. And the light changes to blue. Turn it off, simple as that. And if I touch around here, nothing happens, it's just on that spot. Nice finish as well, completely glass. And obviously as I go over it, turns on and off. Okay, so next I'm going to show you the actual demister on the mirror in action. So I've got a steam cleaner here, and if I press it, obviously it will just start giving out a load of steam. And if I just cover the mirror like so, you can just see not this area as such, but this area onwards, it just clears it up immediately. So there, and up here, I'll just go for it, move it out of the way, and there you go, it clears up quite quickly. So one of the things to note about the demister, that it doesn't work immediately. Obviously it is a pad that gets heated up and has to be left on for a certain amount of time, so I'd say about 5 minutes at most. So as you're using it, if you're going to use it in the morning, just leave it on as you're shaving or whatever, you're doing your makeup, and then use it and then turn it off afterwards. So it just needs a bit of time just to heat up initially, but then once it's started, it's fine. So there you go, hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing this mirror. Details are in the description below. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget to like and subscribe.